Hey guys, what's doing? We were working on this 50 the other night. We got the big bars, the triple, we got the foot pegs on there. I'm just waiting on the, I have a longer cable for the front brake coming and a longer cable so I can do a rear handbrake. I'm gonna do a rear handbrake on this too. This is all temporary. I gotta move the start stop. I'm gonna change the brake cable, and I'm probably just gonna put a toggle switch instead of the key. We're gonna take this for a ride to go get something to eat. I'm just trying to drain the rest of the gas that's in here. I still have to fix this gas tank. These foot pegs on the 50, these weren't for the 50. These were just some cheap ones I bought on Amazon, and the ends were a little too thick, so the bolt wasn't long enough. So down at the shop, I have a chop saw with an aluminum blade, so I just cut these down. There's still enough material on there for that to work. But, oh, I put the big foot pegs on there too. A lot of this is stuff I had laying around. I'm just using it up. But we're gonna go get something to eat, do a quick little ride. It's only like a mile or two down the road. It'll be a short ride, but it's nice out today. Let's get something to eat. Windy City, the real deal. But the reason I came out here was in all these parts, there was this license plate bracket. But this has this motor on the back and a hinge. Man, what's that for? Could that be a flip-up license plate for the mother flippers? So, gotta make sure it works. So I got it hooked up to a little toggle switch over here using a Milwaukee 12-volt battery. These are great for testing. So we got the battery, we got the switch, and we got our license plate. So let's just say this bad boy was on the mounted on the motorcycle like so. I don't know where to hold it. I don't want to get shocked. Okay, so let's just say the plates, you know, it's mounted on the bike, and for whatever reason, if you had to, oh snap, just like that. That's pretty slick. Some pretty quick action. Red light. Whoop. Speeding. Whoop. Stop sign. Yep. This is for show purposes only. That's pretty slick. We might use this, I don't know. We will see. Pretty cool little thing in the box of parts. You never know what you're gonna get. That was pretty cool. I'm psyched about that. This, it'd kind of be hard to put it on here. And then on this one, I mean, maybe I could put it up here. If I put it on the bottom of this, it'll probably stick out too far. Maybe I can put it over here. But if you see that motor on the back of the plate, it's pretty obvious. I'd have to find a way to make that look a little more slick, a little more discreet. I don't know how much smaller you can really make it either. But that's pretty cool. I bet you that thing was probably $100 at least new. It might have came with some wiring and stuff, but that's easy to hook up. That's all it is, just this little toggle switch. Oh, it's not plugged in no more. Plug it back in. Bam! 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 Pretty cool. That's it. Thanks for watching.